knowing that the event was coming, I think we were at the level that we wanted to be, but I think in the long-term effect, I think it caught more people off guard with the magnitude of what took place in the areas that it did take place. And we just had that gut feeling. It's something that you just get when you're in the business. You know when it's a possibility of something being wrong. The first call that I received from dispatch was, "It's hit Casey," and that was bad enough as it was. It was a terrifying thought because I had no idea how bad it was until I started trying to get to Casey and saw what a mess it was trying to even get there. It took me forever to get there, and then when I got there, it was just total destruction. I guess the most impactful vision that I have of that night is I pulled up to the four-way stop in Casey. I looked to my left and there was no fire station. I looked directly ahead in front of an ambulance that was parked in front of me, and there was a woman walking out of a cloud of just looked like she come from nowhere, barefooted in a house robe, walking on debris with a dislocated shoulder. And that's my vision of this tornado and how it impacted me all at once. And then looking around and seeing the total destruction was devastating to a lot of people. I think that under the circumstances, we were well informed, but I don't think everybody knew the full impact that we were going to have from this tornado. It was so devastating from where it come from, and even after it left Fulton County, it was so devastating, it's just unimaginable. This has opened some people's eyes. We have gotten people together and actually had things happen in a more positive way in Fulton County since the tornado. Not that it couldn't have happened for other reasons, but I feel like that we are a closer knit community. I feel like that people have understood the feelings of other people, not just hearing it, but actually seeing it. When you see somebody that is drastically affected by an event like this, and you see them wandering around and not knowing what they're going to do next, it has a toll on you, and it affects you. In the night of the event, we established a emergency operations center in Casey Baptist Church, and we were able to stay there until I think the 22nd or 23rd of December, which at that time we closed the emergency operations center and moved everything here. But the community as a whole responded tremendously. It was overwhelming to see people come together and to see people concerned about other people. They wanted to help, and I can't say enough for the outside help also. Well, personally, I guess you can say, done a lot of soul searching. I have wondered, did I get out enough information to the public before the storm hit? I wonder if I could have done something better. I guess I have second guessed myself during the whole process as to thinking, could I have done more? Should I have done more? What they're thinking, what will happen on the next event? Will I be able to inform the public or my constituents in the county if it's to that level? Yeah, I guess I can say I have second guessed myself.